Is your car radio a static-filled nightmare? Are you tired of losing your favorite station every time you drive past a single tree? That endless search for a clear signal ends right now. We're declaring war on terrible reception and diving deep into the ultimate signal-seeking showdown. We've tested the top contenders, from rugged magnetic mounts to sleek, hidden designs, to find the undisputed champion. This is your definitive guide to shattering radio silence and unlocking crystal clear. Razor-sharp audio on every journey. Forget guesswork. The truth is revealed inside. Let's dive in. Number 7. Votex delivers outstanding quality with the black short rubber 6 3/4-inch universal antenna kit, making it a top contender for the best antenna for car. Designed with a German-engineered internal copper coil, it ensures superior signal reception compared to other short antennas, giving you clear and stable radio performance wherever you drive. Its rugged build combines 304 stainless steel threading with premium EPDM rubber, making it flexible, durable, and fully car wash proof. Installation is quick and tool-free, letting you upgrade your vehicle's look and functionality in minutes. With universal compatibility across popular models like Chevy Silverado, Ford F-Series, Jeep Wrangler, Toyota Tacoma, and more. This antenna fits vehicles from 1980 to 2026, assembled by a trusted USA family-owned brand with over 20 years of expertise. The Votex antenna is built for style, strength, and exceptional performance. Number 6. Maxracing short truck antenna is a sleek and durable replacement option designed specifically for Ford F-150 pickup trucks from 1997 to 2026, making it a great choice for anyone looking for the best antenna for car. Crafted from premium 7073 aluminum with a hard black anodized finish, it resists chips, scratches, and fading for long-lasting performance. Unlike traditional mast or whip antennas, this short antenna eliminates the hassle of hitting low ceilings in parking garages or car washes while maintaining a stylish low-profile look. Installation is effortless with its threaded mounting system that screws directly onto the existing mount in under a minute, requiring no wiring at all. Built with top equipment quality, this antenna ensures reliable performance, extended durability, and enhances the overall appearance of your Ford F-150. Number 5. Kesaw Auto brings you a premium short antenna designed to perfectly fit Ford F-150 2009 to 2025, F-250/F-350 2017 to 2025, and Ford Bronco 2021 to 2024, making it an excellent choice for those searching for the best antenna for car. Replacing the tall 31-inch stock antenna, this sleek 7-inch short antenna enhances your truck's bold look while maintaining outstanding AM/FM reception in major towns and nearby areas. Built with durable copper coils wrapped in tough black rubber, it ensures long-lasting strength, weather resistance, and protection against outdoor hazards. The low-profile design prevents snagging on branches and obstacles, making it ideal for off-road adventures. Easy to install with a simple bolt-on process using basic tools. This antenna combines rugged style, reliable performance, and convenience, an upgrade that matches the toughness of your truck. Number 4. AntennaMastsRus delivers an exceptional upgrade with its short rubber antenna, perfectly compatible with Chevrolet Silverado 1500 models from 2006 to 2026. Making it one of the best antenna for car enthusiasts seeking both style and performance. Designed at 6 3/4 inches, it adds a sleek, modern look while ensuring superb reception thanks to its German-engineered internal copper coil, which is up to 85% more conductive than standard materials. Built from durable EPDM rubber, it withstands extreme weather and temperatures up to 257 degrees Fahrenheit, remaining car wash safe without bending or breaking. Backed by 2-year coverage and proven durability, it offers peace of mind and long-lasting reliability. Installation is quick and tool-free, while its low-profile design seamlessly enhances your truck's aesthetics. Proudly made by a USA-based family-owned brand with over 20 years of expertise, it ensures unmatched quality and trusted performance. Number 3. BJSI Universal Car Antenna Replacement is a perfect upgrade for anyone looking for the best antenna for car. Offering a sleek 5.5-inch compact size that is short, strong, and built to last. Crafted from premium 6061 billet aluminum with a black hard anodized finish. It delivers maximum durability, scratch resistance, and weatherproof performance against rain, wind, and snow. Designed for wide compatibility, this antenna fits a variety of Ford, Dodge, Chevrolet, GMC, Jeep, Toyota, and even Cadillac models, making it a versatile replacement option. With its easy installation process, no tools are required. Just select the right screw and attach it within seconds. Its rugged construction ensures it won't bend or break easily, while still maintaining clear radio reception. Stylish, durable, and highly practical, this antenna is an excellent choice for drivers who want performance with a modern look. Number 2. Ronin Factory brings you the perfect upgrade for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra with its 5-inch flexible short replacement antenna, making it one of the best antenna for car options. Designed for 2014 plus Silverado and Sierra models, this sleek, modern antenna instantly enhances your truck's bold appearance while eliminating the hassle of long, whip-style antennas that flap around. Built with a tough anti-theft thread-locking compound, it ensures security and peace of mind, while its flexible construction makes it completely car wash safe. Installation takes less than a minute. Just unscrew the old mast and screw in the new one by hand. Compatible with GPS and satellite radio, it delivers reliable performance for those who primarily use Bluetooth or auxiliary audio inputs, giving your truck a stylish and durable upgrade in seconds. Number 1. Rydonair brings you the perfect blend of style, durability, and performance with its short antenna compatible with Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks of all model years, making it an excellent choice for the best antenna for car. Crafted from premium rubber, this 13-inch antenna offers shape memory, ensuring it springs back into place even when bent, while withstanding extreme weather conditions with ease. Its sleek low-profile design, enhanced by a real carbon fiber column at the base, instantly upgrades the look of your truck compared to the standard 31-inch metal antenna. Inside, the highly conductive copper coil ensures reliable reception for both AM and FM bands, delivering clear sound quality on the road. Best of all, installation is quick and effortless, requiring no tools. Just screw it on within seconds and enjoy improved style and performance. Ultimately, the best antenna for car depends on your specific vehicle and listening habits. Whether you prioritize powerful amplification for remote areas or a discreet, low-profile design, the right choice will dramatically improve your radio experience. Thanks for watching. If this helped you find your perfect antenna, hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And please share this with fellow drivers and start enjoying crystal clear radio on your next journey.